All right, this is a super quick tour of my Locksmith work van setup. Been asked by everyone to do one of these, literally everyone. Here's the back cameras. Take you straight through the Mandoor first. Cameras connected to the computer, which gives me a panorama view of the outside, which is important because there are no windows in here. And this is how I get in. This is the Mandoor. No tools go through here. So grab on. The chair is connected with magnets so it doesn't roll around. And there are my tweezers. Locks in place. Jump out so I drive around, doesn't go crazy. Let's get in here. Dyson fan helps bring the heat and the AC back here. Here's my big stuff. Workbench, pin kit, computer for key charts, which are in the cloud, so they're secure, so they can't be taken or lost. Let's see, dry erase boards, magnifying lamp, just obviously helpful. Again, magnet. Let's see, these are made by Ranger. They match the van. Screw Adrian steel. HBC. The Blitz, which runs off of my 12-volt batteries. Believe it or not, don't ask. Let's see, what else? I've got custom lights. These things run off of the 12 volts. So they turn on and off automatically. And what else? Workbench. It's U-shaped, plenty of space. Big giant stamping block. Love the little jet machine. Works off of a pedal. Completely unnecessary, but it is super cool. Original best stamper, paper towels, vise from the back, little ladder. These shelves are mounted at an angle, so these guys come out and they sit at an angle so nothing rattles. Plenty of workspace down below the sight line. I'm about to open up the back door so you can see why that's cool. Love these. Waste receptacle. It's not a trash can. It's mounted. Doesn't take up any floor space. Kind of disappears. Lifts up out of the way to dump. It's full. Need to do that. Awesome. Careful, magnets everywhere. Phone goes here. What else? All right, let's get out of here. Dry erase boards. All right, let's check out the back. That's right. This is the tool door or the outside shop. Like the pencil drawer, daily stuff, fasteners, big awkward shaped stuff, hole saws, strange bits, Forstners, just big stuff really. Big cordless, small cordless, and a expandable stool. This thing is pretty critical. What else? Fan when I'm working back here. This will draw out the AC or the heat so I'm comfortable while I'm working on stuff. The vise will face this direction so I can use it from the outside and the inside. What else? Tool cart. This thing pulls out and expands so I can load up. Space for spray paint, canned air, WD-40. I'll leave that there. And what else? That's I think that's about it. Yeah, if you got any questions, hit me up. Oh, battery charger, critical. Little inverter, don't need much. Dyson fan. There are curtains up here that drop down if I'm working at night or if I need a nap. Oh, also, this is cool. This seat will actually recline for said nap. You know what I'm talking about? And I think that's it. Let me know if you got any questions. I'll answer you.